Momondo Honest Review, watch before using. In today's video, we're going to give you an honest review of Momondo, the travel search engine that promises to help you find the best flight, hotel, and car rental deals. If you're considering using it, stick around, as we'll cover all the features, pros, and cons to help you make an informed decision. And as always, you'll find the link to the product in the description below, so feel free to check it out. Momondo is designed for anyone looking to book travel online, whether you're a frequent flyer, a family planning a vacation, or just someone who wants to find the best deals for your next trip. The platform stands out with its intuitive interface and comprehensive search functionality. It aggregates prices from multiple travel agencies, airlines, and other booking sites, so you get a broader view of what's available without having to search multiple websites. The main selling point of Momondo is its price comparison tool. It allows you to compare flights, hotels, and car rentals side by side, helping you find the best deal based on your preferences. One of its standout features is the Cheap Flights tab, which shows you the lowest possible price for destinations based on your preferred dates. Additionally, Momondo provides flexible search options, so you can adjust your dates or select multiple airports to potentially lower your travel costs. While the platform is user-friendly, there are some drawbacks to be aware of. Occasionally, you may find that certain prices aren't as accurate as they seem due to varying fees added later in the booking process, so it's important to double-check the final price before confirming any booking. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable tool to compare travel deals, Momondo is definitely worth a try. It's simple, effective, and designed with users in mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews and travel tips. It helps support the channel and make sure you never miss out on useful information. Thanks for watching.